Well, g'day there everyone. I'm going to do these last two Henry Squires. I made another wire for it today for the back. Takes a bit of messing around making these because you've got to be just the right length to pick up on the mechanism inside. And I made another, instead of using that big mortise overlifter, I made another one dedicated for these sort of locks. The old polymorph handle. Jesus, that's great stuff. I'm loving that stuff. Alright, there's a lot of spring resistance in these. The rubber band is just to keep that little dog flap up. Okay. I'm surprised at the spring resistance in these. For such a small lock, bloody hell, there's some tension there. Oh, that's very close to going now. It's that back one. Okay, that's the second one. Now for the final. Should have had two rubber bands, I suppose, shouldn't I? Never mind. Okay. This is the one I've been waiting for, the last one. I believe the first one is set. Oh, I think there it goes. Okay, that's the last of them. That does come out eventually there. Okay, well there we go. That's the three of them done. Okay, thanks for watching that. Hooroo.